Elizabeth, how do you feel about the hurricane? Fast.
Excited.
How do you feel about the hurricane?
Not good.
How do you feel about the hurricane?
What?
How do you feel about the hurricane?
I feel fine.
How do you feel about the hurricane? How do you feel about the hurricane? How do you feel about the hurricane?
I feel very sad.
How do you feel about the hurricane?
It's good.
Hurricane's not gonna take them. It's
No
too tall.
school.
How do you feel about the hurricane?
I'm fine.
Oh, okay. How do you feel about the hurricane?
I don't know. We're gonna make it through.
The hurricane.
Crazy.
¿Cómo te sientes del huracán?
Bueno, bien, estoy preparado para él.
How do you feel about the hurricane?
It's big, it's stormy, and I can't wait to stay inside and eat snacks and play board games.
How did you prepare for this hurricane?
I didn't.
What did you do during the hurricane?
Well, I didn't really do anything, you know.
What did you do during the hurricane?
Why does your
Eat all the hurricane food.
Why does
That's
your pizza
it.
only have one pepperoni
Survive?
on top?
Because they fucked me over.